been a naughty boy today, Eric? Eric, have you been a... No. Have you been a naughty boy today? You're not a fucking legend at all. Did you bash up the dog? No, you're not a fucking legend. Did you scare the cat? Did you scare the cat? Lester, don't laugh at him. He's not funny. Eric, look at me. Look at me, look at me, look at me. You're not a fucking legend at all. You're a naughty, 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 naughty boy. You're not. You're not. You're not. Lester, don't laugh at him. You're naughty. Naughty, naughty, naughty. No, he doesn't want to kiss a legend because you're not a legend. He doesn't want to kiss a legend.
Say it again, darling. What did you say?
Fat bitch.
Who's a fat bitch? Who's a fat bitch?
Fat bitch.
Am I a fat bitch? Talk to me.
Fat bitch.
Is that all you're going to say today, fat bitch? Do you love me?
Fat bitch. Fuck off.
I love you, darling. Don't do your fluttery stupidness. Anything else to say to your YouTube mates?
Fat bitch.
Seems to be words of the day, fat bitch. What about bollocks? Or under the water, under the sea, how many titties can you see?
Fuck off, drink.
Oh, don't be horrible to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Fuck off, you bitch.
Oh dear. Should put that on YouTube. Oh dear Lord. You are a shocker. Anything else to add? Hey? Anything else to add? Come on.
Fuck off, you bitch. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Kiss. 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 Fuck you.
Ha ha ha.